Hello friends, we have come out with a new book, CA Final FR Model Test Paper book. This book will be very useful for preparing for your November 24 exam, May 25 exam, November 25 exam. In this model test paper book, we have 15 tests. 15 tests we have compiled. We have 3 multiple choice question for 30 marks and descriptive question. I will suggest that you should practice all these MTPs, all these 15 MTPs, which will cover your entire syllabus and give you a good practice for your exam. This book can be used by CA final student. Even the faculties who are preparing test paper for their student, they can use this FR model test paper book. It is in the same format the way questions have been asked in the exam. So dear friends, purchase this book from our website vinod.in. You can also purchase this book from Amazon or Flipkart. Thank you very much and I wish you all the best.